Yes, sir. All right.
Oh, I'm talking to her. I'm gonna go get the ball.
That's what she said.
Sit down.
Okay, all right, I'll go get it.
Yeah, okay. Yes, sir. That's good.
Ready.
My exactly here in a minute. Oh, better.
Yeah, you're gonna have to change those fluids again in the transmission and the hydraulic, just cause it had so much water in it, it'll have to be flushed. It's still milky looking right now, but they have been changed. They just need to be changed again.
Where do I change that at?
It's real easy. That's your fill, and if you look under the bottom, this drain plug is for the transmission. That drain plug is for the hydraulics, and then there's another one on the back for the rear end. Rear end was clean, so I didn't mess with that. But all three use the same fluid that your tractor should, which is that multi-purpose that you can get.
Yellow good.
Yeah, I bought the one from Tractor Supply that is the what's the one that JP Racing Fuel?
Mm-hmm.
It was the same price.
VP.
But it's VP, yeah, VP. It was the same price, and it's a better. Just looking at it, had better reviews, so I bought that. As long as it's got the New Holland 134, 134A, that is compatible with that, it's fine.
Okay.
And I did a bunch of reading up on it before I chose that to make sure it ain't been started, nothing this morning. One of them back out. So I knew I could walk on the plate sideways, although we didn't have to do it. them up a little bit.
Damn, that's just about all to shut off. How about it? And you know Zion, right? Zion and
I might have made him down there getting ice or something, maybe.
yeah.
I
And
think-
my brother's Zach.
Good to meet you, man. I think I saw you at F8 one evening.
Okay.
We come down
That's
there.
where he'll be in.
Yep.
What happened to the awning that was on there?
It wasn't on it whenever I took it. Don't you start that with me. It's somewhere twixt here in Bristol.
You give him all the paperwork.
Alright. I got blocks and a jack. We can spin that around, and a wrench and everything. We'll just spin it around real quick.
Okay.
It'd be a whole lot easier for 2 or 3 people versus me doing that one yesterday. I discovered they do still have water in them. Yeah, at least that one does.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We're heavy now. We're heavy. Dang, that looks really, 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 really good.
You like it all right, man?
See, that's crazy right there. Yeah, that looks-
What used to happen back now and then.
Well, the 640 has been delivered. So, kind of bittersweet to see it go because, man, that thing run good. I was pleased with how it turned out. Donald and his brother both seemed to be very pleased with it. And happy enough that Donald sent back with me his 3000 Ford. It's a unique configuration in that I've never seen one this way. I mean, I've been on a pile of them, and the majority of the ones that I've run were diesels. Every now and then you run across a gas, and this is actually a diesel, but it has just the 4-speed transmission. It doesn't have high-low. It doesn't have live PTO, and I've never seen one like that. But anyway, we're bringing it back to the house, and on his, we're going to be rebuilding the hydraulics because they've gotten to where they're leaking down internally, and when the tractor's sitting there running and you've got an implement picked up behind it, they've got a bounce to it. So we're going to be rebuilding that. The PTO shaft seal is leaking terribly bad, so we'll be putting a new one of those in it. I don't think the generator's charging. I've got to check that. So we're going to address that too. Pretty much any other little leaks here and there that we can address and get buttoned up, because then we're going to paint this one. So I'm really looking forward to that. Whenever we deliver it, it's going to look like a new tractor. Anyhow, that's pretty much going to do it for this one. We're almost back to the barn. As always, we'd really appreciate it if you subscribe. You like the video, click that like, and hit that little notification bell down there. That way you see whenever the new videos come out. Got a lot of content coming your way. I've still got to put a 6-speed Eaton Fuller in this truck, and I just haven't had time to do it because we keep getting projects like this, but I'm not sad about that. That's a good looking tractor too. I can't wait to get it all painted up, ready to go. And I'm gonna end up buying a couple of new tools to try out, maybe do a review on them. I'm not being sponsored, but I do want to try something out that I've seen, and y'all just stick with me, and I'll be ordering one of those, bringing it out. You just have to wait and see what it is. But anyway, we'll catch up with you folks later, and just remember, you're gonna get that on them big jobs.